Hey, Danny Mullen here with another short update on my home automation progress. So where I'm at right now is I'm actually reinstalling OpenHAB on my production Pi. The OpenHAB version that was the old one. I had updated my development, got everything working, and now I'm going to go ahead and install it on my production Pi. That being said, one of the delays was I actually cleaned up my mess. It feels so good. I'd like to put a picture, but it's going to be hard for me to get. But I took all the cables and wires and everything else from behind my media center that were just all dangling back there, and I actually categorized them in such a way so that way I categorized them so that I would have it. I categorized it so I would have it showing and it'd be clean. Happy to do it. Right now on my development system, I'm having some trouble getting bindings to stay installed, a couple little glitches. So I need to get everything moved over to my production system so that I can start debugging and troubleshooting all these problems. In the meantime, for Father's Day, my beautiful wife got me this, my new toy that I'm really extremely happy about. It is the Amazon Echo. I love this thing, and when you speak the name of Madam A, everything fires, worked great. I'm integrated into OpenHAB. I'm firing off those U lights in the kitchen. I'm also linked to my daughter's bedroom so that I'm able to turn the lights on and off in that room. And then the next project, which is also why I am working on the production system, is I just recently bought the next piece of my Pi, and that is an Insteon setup. So it is going to be an Insteon. I got the Insteon gateway. It's the starter kit, and it's got two lamp link plugs, they call it. And these lamp link plugs allow you to control lamps to dim them and make them brighter, and also turn on and off. So that'll be my actual first Insteon project. I'm going to get that working and integrated into OpenHAB, and then after doing so, I'm looking to buy some motion sensors, which I might put like maybe one up where the speaker is, somewhere in there, for the living room, so that when you come in the back door, the lights come on. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do, but they have some door sensors, and they also have what I'm really interested in, and that is the 8-button keypad, which will allow me to use Insteon as a scene controller. So I'm able to press one of any of the 8 buttons, and I'll be able to turn the kitchen lights on, turn my daughter's lights on, turn the kitchen and my daughter, turn the whole house off. I'll be able to turn this lamp on behind me on and off using that lamp link, as well as the kitchen at the same time. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm very excited, and keep checking back on this channel, the Danny Mullen, and I'll keep posting my updates. Thank you.